Hey, this will be a video chart on QSGIQ. Absolutely awesome past couple days, and with that came quite a few requests, and so here we are. And besides that, this chart is just awesome from the perspective of providing a great example of how you should always use moving averages as support levels, and especially the key ones like the 200-day and 50-day. This chart applies to the 200-day, but if we look at this, it's now been 3 times where the people that are paying attention to where the price is relative to the 200-day simple moving average have made great money. The first time was right here. You can see it came down. 200-day provided support. Very nice bounce. Came down again. Didn't quite hit it, but you can see close enough. And then a very nice bounce up to here. And then more recently came down, put in a hammer candle right there, and then trampoline effect really started to skyrocket. So just a great example of one of the key moving averages within the world of technical analysis, providing support multiple times. So it's very evident that the bulls are very strong down here at the 200-day simple moving average. Not once, not twice, but now 3 times they provided support. But not only support, the trampoline effect has gone into motion every time that the price has gone down and hit that. So just a cool little example there of how you should always keep your eye on those moving averages. Now, in terms of the chart right now, we're obviously in a breakout, and with that, we want to map out some supports and resistances. So that's what I'm going to break down here. So we'll just start simply at the levels of support, and these are going to be derived from just simply where the previous highs were. So we had a previous high right here. Actually, let me change this to green first for support. But we had a high here, which was, let's see, what's valued at 17 cents. So 17 is going to be one of the new key levels of support here. And then another important level of support is just going to be, right around this area here. Why that area? Well, if we look, there's quite a bit of pricing history. It acted as a resistance here, acted as a resistance again quite a few times, and then finally broke there. Now, yes, these are support levels, and depending on what your strategy is, you ideally want to see these two hold. But if you're in this for the longer haul, this is going to be the support that you're going to want to see continue to hold, because as you can see, as each and every day goes by, this goes higher and higher, so it shows that the stock is trending up. Now, sure, maybe this isn't as fun because it doesn't increase as rapidly as, let's say, a 10-day simple moving average. But this is kind of the overall trend indicator right here, and you can see that it is increasing and going up. So with each and every day that passes by, you can see this is going higher and higher. So yes, these would be the ideal support levels to hold, but if they don't, then this is going to be the ultimate level that you want to see continue to hold like it has been. Now for the levels of resistance, the fun stuff, there's one kind of sticking out to me right now, and it's right up here at this level right there, and you can see that's pretty much right where the price closed. But if we look back through the history of the chart, you can see that it acted as a resistance there after the price fell below it, acted as resistance there, acted as resistance there once again, and once more price closed basically right at it. I'm going to leave this line skinny because if the volume stays strong like it has, I don't foresee this putting up much of a fight. But nonetheless, it is a level of resistance. And then after that, really, the next resistance isn't up until 24.5 cents, and then not way up until about 30 cents. So pretty much on borderline, big time breakout now, where there's pretty big spaces in between each level of resistance. But obviously, one step at a time. The stock does have a history of making big moves and then pulling back. But as long as it pullbacks once more hold this level, then in the grand scheme of things, the chart will remain healthy looking. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was QSGIQ. Thanks for listening.